Hi friends, we are going to see the stomach filling recipe for babies and toddlers so that they get good sleep. It will be stomach filling for babies so that they get good sleep, and if they get good sleep, the growth will be good for them. Come, let's see how to do it. First we have to take half cup of rava, and we have to roast it in the ghee. After the color turns slight brown, we have to remove that. Now we have to add little water, and then we have to add little jeera, and then we have to add grated carrot and one tomato finely chopped. After that we are going to add 1/4 cup of moongdal, which is washed. Then we have to mix it and cook it. Now we are going to add 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Here we are taking 1/4 cup of moong dal and half cup of rava. So I am adding 2 to 2.5 cup of water. You can add according to the consistency you need. After it is cooked, we are going to mash it with a masher. All the tomatoes, carrots and all are getting mashed so that babies can swallow. After it is cooked, moong dal is cooked, we are going to add rava. So within 5 minutes it will be get cooked. Here, then delicious recipe is ready. Thank you.